Comdell Innovation is a contract manufacturer with multiple ISO certifications. We have 9001, 13485, 14001. We also are certified in the aerospace industry. And so with so many certifications, we are consistently being audited. We're also being audited by our customers. And what we have found is that during these audits, they've become very seamless. We are able to just sit there and pull up documents live as they request. And with the search features and the drop-down menus and our market segments as one of our columns, they can bring it up and say, all right, I want to see something medical, I want to see a different product line, a different customer, and we're able to bring it all up real time.
We have 235 jurisdictions around the United States. That doesn't even include internationally. It's really helped us from an audit perspective because one, our products need to be compliant with all those regulations, but also for our manufacturing centers with ISO 9001.
It's interesting because before we started with ETQ, before we had Reliance, this is about 12 years ago, we didn't have any solution for quality globally. We have 80 countries where Mars actually has presence or facilities. And imagine communicating and aligning 80 countries. It's like herding cats, right? It's impossible. The fact that we now have one system which basically talks one quality language, all our quality supplier assurance, and other R&D associates are using it. It's basically providing us with the simplicity of one system, data source, and kind of one process which everyone understands.
And the same thing with the customer feedback. We have the capability in customer feedback to see we've entered one CAPA or one customer feedback for an issue, but then we can also add to that. We can reopen and add additional incidents or CAPAs or feedbacks in order to see that it's becoming a trend and it wasn't just a one-off, so it was something that we can look back and prevent. And because all of those have to do root causes, the way we have it set up, that allows us to go back and then track what happened.